soft skills about how like to communicate and like how to be proactive and like understand what you need to anticipate to not block the back-end team or the front-end team, depending on of what you do. So yeah, it's all about like social intelligence, empathy, and so on. The OOP, right? Object-oriented programming. I think that's the one that was like the most like eye-opening for me and kind of helped me like connect the dots. So yeah, it will definitely be that one to really understand and kind of build like a logic. During the bootcamp, we have to suggest IDs, right? So I suggest a specific ID, a project in the category industry, basically building a SaaS for restaurant owners. But I was thinking about building it for real, right? So I've asked a few restaurant owners what are you using for scheduling and so on. And some of them talked to me about like 7Shift, which is basically a company, a scale up in Toronto, which we are doing what I was thinking about creating. Long story short, thanks to a friend of mine, I ended up working for 7Shift, and I am now working at 7Shift as a full stack developer.